Can we see deleted messages on Viber? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see if we can see deleted messages on Viber or not. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So here, if you navigate to one of your chat and if you have removed or deleted the chat entirely, there is no any direct option in the Viber application or the built-in feature which will allow you to see the deleted messages once they have been deleted. So once the message is deleted from a chat, it's generally gone and there is no way to retrieve it directly through the application. However, there may be some other potential ways to recover your deleted messages if you have a backup. So if you have enabled your cloud backup such as Google Drive if you're using Android, or for the iCloud if you're on your iPhone, so from there you may be able to restore your chat history including all the messages that were deleted, provided that they were included in the backup. So with the help of your backup, you can see your deleted messages. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.